Hello everyone, I'm Sohrab from iGrimstaff, and today I want to show you how you can convert daily data to yearly data in Excel using data tool. I have some daily data here, and this data is start from this date, and I want to convert them to yearly. The end date is 2015, and I want to convert these daily data to yearly. Firstly, I should convert them to monthly. After that, I can convert to yearly. So I should highlight the data, select the data, and then convert them to monthly. But before I should check this item if I want, and I can add the date column, the start start date of month is this value, and also because my data have leap years, the tool should consider the leap years, so I should enter the value of start date, and easily I can convert them to monthly. I will send them to new sheet, and I can copy the headers easily and paste at the top of the data. This is the monthly data. Now I want to convert the monthly data to yearly. I should select the data. The data is here, and I can convert them, and easily I can click on this button, and the window will show, and I can convert them easily to yearly data. Also, I should add the years column. This is the years column. Years, and I want to copy the headers here. The headers is here. Okay. This is the yearly data, and I converted the monthly data to yearly data. And now I can draw the yearly chart if I want. Okay, it's complete. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more video about the tools. Bye.